Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Made Simple. And today we are solving a real cool everyday problem. Have you ever wanted to share your contact details like name, phone number, email, address, or maybe your LinkedIn or any of your personal social media handles without typing everything out every single time? Or maybe put your personal detail or personal info on a business card, resume, ID badge, or even a sticker and let people scan it with their phones. That is exactly what we are doing today. Converting your write-up or personal details into a scannable QR code. 100% free, no app to install, and super simple. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own QR code in under 2 minutes. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button, follow the page, and turn on notification so that you never miss this easy tech guide. Let's jump right in. Quick question first. Why are we using QR code and not classic barcode like the one on supermarket items? Traditional barcodes are great for numbers and short product codes, but they hold very little text, usually just 20 to 40 characters, and no spaces or even special characters. QR code can hold thousands of characters, including your full name, phone number, email, address, website, or your personal address. Everything you want to put in QR code can welcome them. Plus, anyone with a smartphone can easily scan it instantly. No special scanner needed for QR code. So for your personal details, QR code wins every time. Alright, let's create one right now. We will use a completely free online tools. Okay, did I say online? We use completely free tools. We use our Microsoft Word to do this. First of all, you type in your details, assuming these are my details that I want to code it on QR code. The first thing is, after typing all what you want to do, you come up, type display barcode, then you put double quote. You come down here also, put double quote and add QR. You highlight all, or you press Ctrl A, then you press Ctrl F9 on your system. Can you see that? Then you right click on this and come down to toggle fill codes and click it. Can you see that? This now turns to QR code. Anyone with smartphone can scan this and see all the information you need under this barcode, under this QR code. That's all. And that is how you turn your personal details into a cool scannable QR code. Well, this is the simplest way to generate a QR code. There's some other online that you can use to generate QR code. One of it is you go to the website www.qr-code-generator.com. From there you can design your QR code and download it, but you will need the internet to do that. Also, you can use canva.com. You can use it to generate your QR code. So, and all these two, they are online way of generating QR code. You will require an internet to do that, but the best and simplest way to do the QR code is the method I've shown you here. If you want me to explain how to use Canva or how to use the other method, let me know so that I can make video of that too. Thank you for listening. If this helped, Smash that like button, it really supports the channel. Subscribe if you want more easy tech tutorial every week, and hit the bell so that you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tech smart. Peace.